Welcome to another tutorial. Today I show you how you can create your own wearables for Decentraland in Blender. You will find out how easy it works directly after the intro. Alright, at first we open Blender and we are uploading the FBX file, the reference character, and you can find the download link in the video description. Okay. Now here it is, and now we got our reference character here. Now you can see here we have the armature. Go to the pose mode. This is a normal rig. And then here we have all the body parts from the character. Okay, the head, then face or mask, and something here from the mouth. You can create some mask for him, for example, or this is the upper body, lower body, and the feet for the shoes. Okay. And then with Shift A, we're adding a new cube, a new object. I will create this set from a cube. I want to make glasses, sunglasses, something simple. Then we go here to the shader panel, click on new material, going to texture, image texture, and here we choose now the image texture. The link you also find in the video description. And then we connect this node here. Now we can see here that our cube is now connected with the image texture from the reference color palette. Okay? Good. And now you can see here, this is the texturing mode. Okay, and then we go back to the layout because we want to start editing our asset. Now we go to edit mode, and with Ctrl R we make this loop here in the middle, select the vertices here outside, and with X delete them. Now we get this half cube here, go to modifiers and adding a mirror modifier from the X mirror. Scale it down and start placing it here in front from the eyes. I can see here I forgot to activate clipping. Let's go back. Now you can see that we get this mirrored cube here. Place it here and scale it down the Z-axis. Scale it down the X-axis. Side view, Y-axis. It was the Z again. Y-axis. And place it in front from the eyes. Okay, just a little bit smaller in the Y-axis, the Z-axis. I will do something very simple, glasses that looks very futuristic maybe, just to show you how it works. Here, when we select the vertices outside, can move them here, build the glasses around the face. Then we make two other loops here with Ctrl and R, and another one here. Face select modus, and then we select this face here. Extrude it with E. And extrude it again and put it over the ears. Okay. Great. Alright. And now we select everything from our asset and go to the UV editing mode. And now here we edit our texture. Now we select all the faces in front with the face select modus. Now we select them here. And I think we can give these glasses a nice blue. This blue here looks nice. I like it. And place them here. Now let's have a look. The part here from the top. Also color with the same blue. Select everything and scale it down here. Place it over our color. And then the lower part here. Select. Select it here. Scale it down. Place it here. And now this part here, we choose another color. We can use black. Select everything. So the part here from the back side, and we select everything here. Scale it down. And here we get some black. See here, this part we also can change the color in blue. Okay, the part inside or backside from the glasses we don't need, we can leave it so, but if you want to create serious wearables, okay, you can also use the part from the backside. Now in texture mode you can see here, for now that looks great. And then the next step, we select the glasses and then we press Alt P, clear and keep transformation. Then we select at first our glasses and then the armature with holding Shift, and then Control P with automatic weights. Okay, now I can have a check. You can see here when we rotate the head bone, you can see that our glasses are fixed on the head. See here when we move the head around, that looks great. Then we select the glasses again, go to the modifier tab here and apply the mirror modifier. And what I do next is I always delete all the body parts here and select the glasses, go to File, Export, and then we choose this file type here Good. Now we got it. Now we go to the Decentraland builder here. Go to new item. Drop our file inside here. I choose both. Also woman and man. And here mystic we can choose, and here eyewear. Okay. Good. Now we got our item, our glasses. We go back here and we create a new collection. Name it My Cool Eyewear Collection. Then we click here, adding items. We add an existing item. And then we can go here to preview. You can see here our character. Then just click on the eye here. And I can see here, this is our glasses. And that looks really cool. Futuristic. And here we can choose between woman or man. Let's have a look, and it also looks great on him. Can change the animation. Can make a dance because he's happy for his new eyewear. Okay. And if you want to publish some wearables, you have to pay some fees, and these fees are changing from time to time. You can check the actual fees in the link in the video description, okay? If you found this tutorial was helpful, then just give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and then see you in my next video. Bye!
Oh,